Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's review, we're diving into a product that has quickly risen to become the best soft-sole baby shoes moccasins on the market. We're talking about none other than the Bebila Double Bow Fringe Baby Moccasins. Let's start with first impressions. When you unbox these moccasins, the first thing you'll notice is how adorable they look. With an oversized double bow on top and delicate fringe detailing, these shoes aren't just footwear. They're a fashion statement for your baby. Whether you're dressing your infant up for a special occasion or just snapping some cute at-home pictures, these will instantly elevate any outfit. But these aren't just about looks. Bebila has really focused on comfort and practicality. The moccasins are crafted from comfy PU leather, which has a soft texture that feels gentle against a baby's skin. And because it's synthetic, you don't have to worry about any stiff or abrasive material bothering your little one's tiny feet. Let's talk soles. The outer sole is made from faux leather, while the inner sole is a soft and durable leather, designed to be lightweight and flexible. This makes it easier for babies who are learning to stand or take their first steps. The soft sole mimics barefoot walking, which is actually ideal for early development, helping to strengthen foot muscles and balance. Now, one detail that parents will absolutely love is the elastic band hidden inside the ankle area. It's snug but gentle, helping the shoes stay securely on your baby's feet without the need for constant adjustments. No laces, no buckles, no Velcro. Just slip them on and go. This is a big win for any parent who's tried to wrestle tiny, wriggling feet into a pair of shoes. The size options are well thought out too. These moccasins are available for babies from 0 to 24 months, making them a perfect choice whether you've got a newborn, a crawler, or a toddler who's finding their footing. The pair we're highlighting today is the 0 to 3 month size, which is 10.5 centimeters long. That's about 3 in US infant sizing. As for versatility, these shoes work for almost any occasion. They're cute enough for a baptism or a family photo session, but also simple and comfy enough for everyday indoor use. Whether it's a playdate, a stroll in the park, or just lounging at home, they'll keep your baby's feet cozy and stylish. The color range is also worth mentioning. There are multiple classic and neutral tones available, including black, brown, and more, so you can easily match them with your baby's wardrobe. To sum it up, the Bebila Double Bow Fringe Baby Moccasins combine style, softness, and convenience in a way that truly stands out. They're lightweight, flexible, easy to wear, and absolutely precious to look at. For parents searching for a high-quality pair of cribbed shoes or soft-soled first walkers, these moccasins are a smart, stylish choice. That's it for today's episode of Product Critique. If you're looking to get your hands on the Bebila Baby Moccasins, check the description below for the Amazon link. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a deep dive product review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.